After creating your infographic, head over to publishing. A few things to remember. Keep your infographic simple. Tell a story. Make sharing easy. Your ideas is bigger than your software. Last, just do it. A workflow example is that visualizing the idea that a heavy investment in social media won't solve your issues. A idea which turns into a bad sketch that results in an effective product strategy. After creation and completion, infographic ROI. ROI stands for rate of investment. Infographics are cool, but also add business value in your infographics.